Hello, good evening. I will talk something about endocrinology topic insulin. Firstly, insulin synthesis occurs from pre-proinsulin synthesized in rough endoplasmic reticulum of pancreatic beta cells. Cleavage that undergoes cleavage of pre-signal that undergoes proinsulin stored in secretory granules that undergoes cleavage of proinsulin, which ultimately results in exocytosis of insulin and C-peptide equally. Insulin and C-peptide are increases in insulinoma and sulfonylurea use, whereas exogenous insulin lacks C-peptide. Oh, so what is the function? Function and the insulin function. It binds the insulin receptors like tyrosine kinase activity and inducing glucose uptake via carrier-mediated transport into the insulin-dependent tissue and gene transcription. So, what are the anabolic effects of insulin? Increase in glucose transport in skeletal muscle and adipose tissue, increase in glycogen synthesis and storage, increases triglyceride synthesis, increases in sodium retention kidneys, increase in protein synthesis in muscles, increases cellular uptake of potassium and amino acids, decrease in glucagon release, decrease in lipolysis in adipose tissue. Unlike glucose, insulin doesn't cross placenta. So, what are the insulin-dependent glucose transporters? GLUT4 adipose tissue. Striated it is GLUT4 glucose transporter is present in adipose tissue and striated muscle. Exercise can also increase in GLUT4 expression. So what are the insulin independent transporters? They are GLUT1, 2, 3, 5. 1 is present in RBCs, brain, cornea, placenta. GLUT2 is bidirectional beta islet cells, liver, kidney, GI tract. GLUT3 is present in brain and placenta, whereas GLUT5 fructose present in spermatocytes and GI tract. So other than GLUTs, one SGLT1 or SGLT2 like sodium glucose transporters are present in kidney and small intestine. Brain utilizes glucose for metabolism, but ketone bodies during starvation. RBCs utilize glucose as they lack mitochondria for aerobic metabolism. So insulin regulation, how it regulates? Insulin is a major regulator of insulin release. Glucose is a major regulator of insulin release. Increase in insulin release response with oral versus IV glucose due to incretins. Example, glucagon like peptide 1. Glucose dependent insulinotropic polypeptide like GIP1, GIP, which are released after meals and increase in beta cell sensitivity to glucose. Thereafter, release decrease by alpha-2, increase by beta-2 stimulation. Glucose enters beta cells. Thereafter, increase in ATP generated from glucose metabolism. Thereafter, it closes the potassium channels, target which is a target of sulfonylureas, and depolarizes beta cell membrane. Thereafter, voltage gated calcium channels open. Thereafter, calcium influx occurs. Thereafter, stimulation of insulin exocytosis occurs. And what is the source of glucagon? Made by alpha cells of pancreas. Function: promotes glycogenolysis, gluconeogenesis, lipolysis, ketogenesis. Elevates blood sugar levels to maintain homeostasis when bloodstream glucose levels fall too low, that is in fasting state. And what is the regulation of glucagon? Secreted in response to hypoglycemia. inhibited by insulin, hyperglycemia, and somatostatin. In the next topic, we will discuss about hypothalamic pituitary hormones. Thank you. Bye.